These tissue paper flowers are meant to mimic Chinese bellflowers. They're also called balloon flowers, but whatever you call them, they're easy to make and they're very attractive. So let me show you how to make them in just a few steps. For this project, you'll need purple or blue tissue paper, yellow tissue paper, green pipe cleaner, pencil, ruler, aluminum foil, and scissors. For each flower, you will need 5 pieces of the purple or blue tissue paper, and you want to cut them 3.5 by 5 inches long. So I've just layered my 5 pieces here, and I'm using a ruler just to get an exact measurement and to get them all the same. It doesn't matter if you're off by a little bit. Cut out the tissue and set it aside. Cut a small rectangle of yellow tissue, approximately 1 1/4 by 1 inches. Crumple up a ball of aluminum foil and be sure and press down any pokey edges. You want it to be about 1 inch across. Start with 1 sheet of the purple tissue paper. Fold it gently in half, don't crease it, and twist just the very end together. Twist it around 3 or 4 times. You want it to be a tight hold. Then very gently take the tissue and turn the little twist inside out so that it forms a little round bubble at the top like so. Place the foil ball inside the tissue so that it rests up against the little twist on the inside. Then gather the tissue around the foil ball loosely and twist around the other end all the way down the length of the remaining tissue. Gently remove the foil ball. You want to take your time with this. Be really careful because it's easy to rip the tissue, so just be really careful. Remove that and set it aside. Now do the same thing for the other 4 pieces of tissue. Bend each tail straight down from the base of the petal. To make the center and the stem, hold the yellow piece of tissue paper long ways up against the end of the pipe cleaner and wrap it around tightly. Leave half of the tissue paper sticking up above the tip of the pipe cleaner. Fold that little extra piece down when you're done wrapping, and then fold it in half so that loose end is sandwiched in the middle. Now arrange the petals all around the center, so hold the base of each one up just underneath the yellow part. Hold them in place the best you can. This is the awkward part. Take the rest of the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the base of the petals 2 or 3 times. It's going to be a little sloppy, not perfect, but just go with it. And then start wrapping the pipe cleaner down the tissue tails. When you've gone a little ways down, cut off the extra tissue and then give the pipe cleaner another twist and straighten it out. Then you can arrange the petals back to where they need to be. You can put a leaf in the stem if you'd like. Just form a circle, give it a couple twists, keep it in place, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.